This is tutorial number 57, and it covers the multiple removed multi-section solid within Catia v5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 56, which is located on the DVD. Now in the last tutorial, what we did is we had one sketch on this face and one sketch on this face, and then we brought them together to remove a solid. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do multiple ones in this one, so we're going to have a sketch here, a sketch on the end face, and a sketch in the middle. So we're going to have 3 sketches altogether. So to start off, what we have to do is create our reference plane in the middle. So we're going to have to go to the generative shape design. So let's click File, click Shape, click Generative Shape Design, and we'll throw a plane in the middle there. So let's click this face, click Plane, and we'll make it 100, reverse the direction, and it's right in the middle. So let's click OK. Now let's go back. So let's click Start, Mechanical Design, Part Design, and now we'll start making our sketches. So let's click this face here, click Sketch, and let's draw a circle. And let's make this circle 80, and let's center it. So we'll make it 50 by 50. And we'll go out. Now we'll do the same on this plane here. Click Sketch. And what we're going to do is we're going to make this, click that circle, project it, and we're going to make it a construction line. And we're going to do that so it's easy to find the center. So we find the center, and we're going to make this guy 50. And we'll go out. And on the last face here, we'll make another sketch. We'll project these here, make it construction, and we'll find the center again, and we'll make this one 20. And we'll get out of this. Now in the second one, I think I left it as a construction line, so I'm just going to uncheck that. So now I have the 3 sketches here. Oh, this guy might be construction too. Nope, he's good. So we have the 3 sketches, so now we're going to bring them all together. So let's click the multiple sections. So we'll click each of them. And you can kind of tell beforehand if they're going to work. As you see, both of these arrows are pointing that way. Make them all pointing the same direction, then you should be good. So let's click Preview, and it looks like we're good. So let's click OK. And now we have the 3 going together to make that hole, or that cut. Now let's get in here, and let's start playing around with these dimensions and moving them around. So let's double click Sketch 3, and let's delete this outside construction line. So now we're able to move this anywhere we want. So let's move it to the top left up here, and let's rebuild this. And you can see how it goes up to the left and down. Now let's double click Sketch 2, and let's make this guy just a bit bigger. We'll make this guy 90, and we'll get out, and we'll go to Sketch 4, delete the outside profile there, and we'll pull this guy down to the left here, and we'll get out of this. And now you can see that we've gone all the way up and around. So if I click this, you're able to kind of keep the profile and see it. So you're able to see how we've kind of woven these 3 together and really whipped it around. So compared to the 2 sketches that we were using in the basic one, with the multiple one, again we're using multiple sizes and sketches to mold and play around with our multi-section solid that we're cutting out. And this concludes our tutorial on the multiple removed multi-section solid within Catia v5.